Like to thank Hurricane Creek Federal Credit Union for putting on this Ghost Town Festival. They have organized and presented it all by the
Parker City, Blackville area, 68 degrees today.
Yeah, cool. Come on. Alright, let's turn around.
Winds southerly at about 15 gusts to 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind.
Look at her. But yeah, I called her. I said, we're London in. I'm out right now. Ready and take.
Cut your edge out. To some ice broke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you. Baby. I've been
So, hi guys. I don't know if this is gonna be the beginning of a new vlog or not, but needless to say, hey. So it's Friday. The 27th. O-C. So she's going to come over today. I'm going to spend some time with her and give her her presents. Today has been a kind of crazy day, so if you can hear by my voice, or you probably can't hear, I'm still a little stuffy, but I was sick for the past few days. I got sick on Monday and it's Friday now, so I'm pretty over it. What is this? I gotta return this back to somebody. I'm gonna put my niece's toy in a bag here. My mom put it in my room, so I think she wants me to do it. Okay. I got confirmation. I'm just gonna dump them all out on my thing. I'm sorry if I'm not talking loud enough because I blew my nose a little too hard and now my ear, I can't hear it in my ear right here. So I don't know how low I am, and I talk low already. So it is now the next day, and I was taking down my braids because I planned to wash my hair, but I just didn't feel like it. It was just the thought of it was too much for me, so I didn't end up washing it. But before the store, I wanted to take it down so I wouldn't have to take it down when I came back home. Me and my sister went to TJ to find a second alternative to our original outfit. Mine, I just didn't like it, and I ended up not finding anything. They had pretty much nothing in there, but my sister found something. So yeah.
I'm gonna be turning king, holding me down. Yeah.
It's 10 p.m. I was supposed to wash my hair, rebraid my hair, comb out my wig, straighten it, put in flexi rods, do my toenails, do my nails, take the dishes out of the dishwasher, finish editing my video, upload my video, but I'm doing none of it, and eat. I'm probably gonna braid it back down. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go eat, then brush my teeth, floss. I was supposed to put a face mask on too. I was gonna do a clay mask, but I don't care anymore. I'm tired. And the thing is, I haven't done anything. My vlog is uploading right now. Let me go look at it. To see it. It's my eye. I don't think it's red. I think it just looks like that on here. The video, oh, it's 83 at 83% right now. The video I'm uploading is the Study With Me vlog. Study Clean With Me. Like sometimes I just sit down and watch my videos. Like, Good night.
20,000, 30,000. My family wish I'd stop wildin'. I'm still gonna stay up if you wanna compare. But you know you got work in the morning. Finna wake up yawning. Tryna keep up with a real one, don't got no obligations. Why you keep being? I don't wanna be no more. Cause I feel like I'm wasting time being too emotional. I'm not your option. I'm not your baby. I wish you roses. You roses, roses. You are the one that bring me back to life. To see parts of me just bars. 짧기만 하고 나는 겨울일까 흩어진 거짓말 나홀로 같은 이유 뭘까
Practically done. It's time to go now. I'm gonna paint them in my heels. We're gonna go. It's 9:12. I'll see you guys after church. So I don't know why I keep filming in this area, but you can barely. Anyway, I'm home. It's like 1 p.m. right now. I'm gonna do Korean. Church was good. Shed some tears, but my makeup still looks good. Anirang. No. We're about to leave in a little minute. I'm finna change. Probably take this eyeshadow off, bake some more, and put on some lip gloss, and that's it. Not me getting Mandarin and Korean mixed up. Did y'all hear me? I must say no, I don't know.